Hey folks, welcome to the channel. If you wish to learn how to fix an unexpected error has occurred on network, then please stick on for the following solutions. So the first solution would be to troubleshoot the network. So how do we do that? We right click on start, go to settings, then we look for system, go below, we click on troubleshoot, other troubleshooters, and we run the network and internet troubleshooter. Now, if this doesn't solve the issue, then we need to update the network driver. So how do we do that? We look for device manager. We click on this and we look for network adapters. Now, this is my network adapter that I'm using. So I'll click on this and I will click on update driver. So this should solve the problem. Now, even if that doesn't work, then we will disable the IPv6 box. So what I need to do is I click the Windows button along with the R and I type ncpa.cpl and press enter. Now I'll get a box here. So this green one shows that this is the network I'm using. So I'll right click on this and I'll click properties. Now I'll go down to these boxes and I'll see IPv6 here. IPv6. I will unclick it and press OK and restart the computer. That should solve the problem. If any of these solutions don't work, then finally the only option is to reset the network. So how do we do that? We go to start, settings, network and internet, and we click on advanced network settings. Then we click on network reset. Now when you press this button, it will reset the network and it will reset your computer and this error should no longer show. If this video helped you, then please subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.